Hey guys, this is an extremely short clean with me. I only had to focus on the living room and washing the dishes this evening. Those of you that have watched my previous videos know that I never use the dishwasher. Well, I don't use it often, and I decided today to go ahead and load it because I'm not in the mood to see dishes on the counter right now. After loading the dishwasher, I'll be moving on to the living room to tidy up a bit. For those of you that are new here, my name is Yolanda, and if you enjoy videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification symbol so you won't miss any future uploads. And for my current subscribers, I want to thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate you guys. I'm going to end this video here. I'm just going to try to tidy up this linen closet a bit. It is a complete mess, but I'm not really in the mood for this either, but I'm going to get it in a better system because I'm really not liking how it is right now. But this is our like catch-all closet. We put everything in here. So I'm just going to try to get it together a little bit, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.